Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal observed World Hepatitis Day 2024 under the theme It's Time for Action at General OPD RIMS Imphal in association with Model Treatment Center RIMS Imphal, organized by the Department of Medicine RIMS Imphal. Speaking on the event, Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director RIMS Imphal, emphasized on the theme It's Time for Action, re-emphasizing its purpose and importance of observing the day. The purpose is to raise awareness to public of our society, since much of the public is unaware of diseases. As a healthcare provider, it is our duty to take a lead and act towards stopping the disease by dedicating our service for the people. We need to accelerate efforts in prevention, diagnosis, and treatment to save lives and improve health outcomes. Hepatitis can cause inflammation to the liver and can lead to severe liver diseases and even cancer. Further stated, despite RIMS have all the facilities and advancements in diagnostic tools and treatments, we need to overcome the barriers to testing and treatment coverage between public and the healthcare provider. The World Health Organization (WHO) also aims to eliminate viral hepatitis by 2030. Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma appealed public to come out and perform the test for hepatitis. RIMS will advocate for treatment and take care of all. As part of the observance, free screening of hepatitis B and hepatitis C cum consultation camp, free tighter measurement of hepatitis B antibody for health workers were also held during the program. A total of 104 samples were tested for hepatitis B and C, out of which near to 4% were turned out positive for hepatitis C, and 59 antibody were also tested. The program was attended by HODs, Principal of Dental College, RIMS Imphal, Principal College of Nursing RIMS Imphal, faculties, Chief Nursing Officer, nursing officials, staffs, and students of RIMS Imphal.
The purpose of observing this program or the function is to give awareness to the public, to the society, details about this disease. So it is our duty as a doctor, as a healthcare nursing staff, to disseminate the knowledge to the society that hepatitis B and C, which is a major killer, which lead to liver cancer, liver cirrhosis, can be protected or can be cured. The institute has all the facility to test, give a treatment. So I'm taking this opportunity to ask the public that everyone can come down here, get the testing done, and if there is any treatment required, that can also be given through our nodal officer of state health mission. As a unit, as a team, we all need to fight this disease so that we reach the target of 2030. By then, the WHO is trying to eradicate most of the dangerous diseases in the society, including HIV, hepatitis B, C, tuberculosis B. So 2030 not very far away, and for that is time for action. Thank you, everyone.